Making your first $1,000 online is very easy. Now take a look at this screenshot here. Today I'm gonna show you one particular AI tool that I personally have been using for a decade now, and it has made me mad money. This is not someone's experience. This is my own personal experience, all right? I have been in that shoe whereby you're asking yourself, how does people make money online? And today I want to reveal it for you. Nobody has ever taught this on this YouTube platform, all right? This particular AI tool that I'm about to share with you are quietly making ordinary people much money online. I don't mean $100, $200. I'm talking about thousands of dollars online here. Now, before you roll your eyes and be like, oh, they have come again, just hear me out. Most people are using AI to ask different random questions, maybe write funny captions, funny posts, and even waste their time. But I'm telling you, just few people are doing this same thing that I'm doing, and they are not sharing it, they are not talking about it. One thing you should know about Techmom is that before I come out here to talk about something, it's either I have practiced it, I've done it, it is yielding a positive result for me, or maybe I don't have time, but I've done my research on it, because I cannot do everything, all right? But the ones that I've been able to do and it yields me results, I used to share it on my platform. Now in this video, I'm not only going to show you the particular AI tool that I'm using to make a lot of money online, I will show you the methods. I'm going to show you how they are doing it exactly, and most importantly, I'm going to show you how to get clients, how to get people without spending money on ads or expensive courses or tools. If you have ever wanted to make money online and you don't know where to start from, this video is for you. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Favour, the tech mom. On this channel, I show you the legitimate ways to make money online, remote jobs, AI opportunities, and more. Believe me, anything that I'm about to show you today, I'm going to demonstrate them on the screen. If I were you, I will watch this video till the end. Now let's go into it. So first, the name of the platform is Claude AI, and listen, you might be hearing about Claude in different dimensions and different usage, but today I'm about to show you a very special usefulness of this Claude AI, different angles that people are not talking about, that you personally can leverage today. If you are the first person that watched this video, you will be the first person that will take action today and start making money, even before others sees this video, all right? Now, what is Claude AI? Claude AI is an AI tool made by a company called Anthropic. Now, you might think that, oh, Claude AI is just like ChatGPT. I will tell you that many people have discovered many opportunities with Claude AI, all right? It goes beyond what ChatGPT can do. Claude AI has a free plan which I am using, and you too can start with the free plan. Before I show you these methods that you personally can use Claude AI to make money, I need to say something that most people normally skip, and it is the reason why many people fail even when they have good information. Most of us here online, we are taught to sell our time, our work, then we get paid, all right? But I want to tell you something that is truthful. Those people making real money online, they don't sell their time. What they are selling is their outcomes. Think about it this way. Nobody can just wake up and say, oh, I want to pay someone to write emails for me. What most people will say, how do I get more customers? I want my business to look more professional. I need people to trust me online. And this is what you can use Claude AI to do for them. Now, what Claude AI helps you to do is to deliver outcomes faster, better, and more consistently than anyone else will do. Now, when you want to offer this, I want you to think about something. What problem do I want to solve? Or what result do I want to deliver? This is what Claude AI will do for you. Now, let's dive into it now. Number one, how do you make money with this Claude AI that everyone, even someone that doesn't have any technical skill, can do? Number one, I call it the CV and LinkedIn makeover services. Now, this is how you can start it. And let me tell you, this is the most underrated service that people doesn't know that it exists. Many people online, they don't know how to write their CVs, and that's why they keep missing different jobs. Most of them, they write CVs of 2009, 2007. They are not getting the job. No summary, no keywords, no formatting that passes the ATS system. that companies uses to filter applications. Now, what you will do with Claude AI, you can fix that in 30 minutes and charge them $50 to $150. This thing cannot even take you up to 30 minutes. You can charge that per CV. Okay, now think about it. You have up to 5 persons to review their CV, because definitely everybody wants to work remotely. Okay, now this is how you can do it. This is Claude AI. All right, I'm using the free version. Just come to Claude AI and paste this prompt. I'm going to drop this prompt on my WhatsApp channel or on my Telegram channel, and possibly you're going to see the link to my WhatsApp channel on the description bar of this video. Okay, now you are a professional CV writer and career coach. I'm going to paste a client CV. I want you to rewrite it to be modern and so on. After writing this prompt, paste the person's CV here. Okay, at the end of the prompt, now hit generate. You will see what Claude AI will do for you. What you will do is clean it up, copy it into a Word document. Now, you know where your Word document is. You can do this with your phone perfectly fine. Go to your Google Docs, or if you are using a note, you can use notes. This is my Google Docs here. Once this Claude AI brings out the CV for you, just copy it and go to Google Docs here. All right, create new folder and paste it. Okay, paste the CV here. Now what you do is clean it up, remove any hash tags, remove any star, anything that does not align with the CV. All right, just remove it. Basic cleaning. All right, now after cleaning it up, send it to the person. All right, and collect your money. Now, where do you find clients that you can offer this service to? Post on LinkedIn, different groups that you are into. Post on Facebook groups like remote jobs in America, remote jobs in Canada, remote jobs in Nigeria, and so on. Now reach out to different graduates posting their frustration about job hunting. All right, post on your WhatsApp status. From there, consistently, we are going to get clients, and people will know you for that. Now, how do you pitch some people that you need to go to their DMs? All right, you just write this: I help Nigerians, I help Canadians, I help Americans rewrite their CVs to get noticed by international companies. All right, you just put your price. Okay, turn around in 24 hours. DM me to get started. This is how you can pick them. If you get 5 clients in a weekend, that's like $250. Now you can also offer them that you update their LinkedIn profile, rewrite it for them, and you can sell that also $50 each. Okay, that's the minimum. That's what I'm talking about. That's $500 for one weekend. Okay, one scale, just 1 2. Okay, the second method: content writing for small businesses. Every business that exists online needs content. Blog posts, Instagram captions, product descriptions, email newsletters, website copy. Most small business owners know they need the content, but they don't have time to write it, and they don't know how to write it in a way that actually sells. You can offer the service starting today. All right, now here is a simple package. You can just sell social media content pack for $100. 12 Instagram captions plus 4 Facebook posts plus 1 email newsletter written for your brand, ready to post. You sell it for $100. Now, this is how Claude can help you do this in less than 30 minutes. Go to Claude and use this particular prompt. Now, here is the prompt, okay, that you will paste. I'm going to drop all the prompts, okay. Just paste it on Claude. Claude will give you the exact thing that you need, okay. Now, fill in the blanks with your client's details. Okay, Claude produces the content, you review it, to make any part that sounds off, format it nicely in a Google Doc, and deliver. That's it. For this one, you have to target small boutiques on Instagram, food businesses, cake makers, caterers, restaurants, salons, and beauty businesses, churches and non-profits, online stores on Jumia or Seller. Send a simple DM. You can just write to them: I noticed your page hasn't posted in a while. I help businesses like yours stay consistent online. I can write a full month of content for you for $100. Now, I want to see a free sample. Yes, from there you can get it. Now, you can offer free sample using Claude. They see the quality, they pay. 5 clients, you get $500. Then 10 clients, you get $1,000. All right. Now, the third method is sell Claude views, which is business documents. Okay. This one is slightly more advanced, but it is extremely lucrative. Every business, whether it's startup, a small company, a church, an NGO, needs documents. Things like business proposals, standard operating procedure, that's SOP, investor pitch deeds, the written version, employee handbooks, service agreements and contracts, grant application letters, a document that professionals use to charge 50,000 naira, $50, $60, $70, and so on. Now with Claude, you can do it. I'm going to share the prompts, all right? Now here is the prompt. You're a professional business writer. I need you to write a formal business proposal for a type of business called, you put in their business name, the proposal and everything. Now, believe me, Claude will write the whole thing. You clean it up, add their logo if they have one, format it in Word or Google Docs, all right? Now, you can charge $80 to $200 per document, depending on complexity, okay? Now, where to find clients? Entrepreneurs in your network, startup founders on Twitter. You see this Twitter, don't play with Twitter. Go to Twitter and search for them. They are all there. NGOs and community organizations, people who just registered a business. You can see them on Facebook, on Instagram. Now, one document a day, serious money by the end of the week. All right. And the next method is method number 4, the AI research and summary service. Now, there are people that doesn't have time to do research. I have a friend who does project research for people, and guess how much they pay him? $250 per project. That is even that he is still beginning, just like a beginner, and he's charging $250 for any project. You can start from $150, $250 and charge. All right. How do you get clients? Tell people this is what I do. You advertise yourself on social media, talk about it. Now, this is the prompts that you can give Claude AI. Clients can decide to tell you their project or their company. It can be real estate, fintech, health, agriculture. Now, you find 5 relevant articles or reports that week. Google News works fine. You paste this content into Claude. This particular prompt that I wrote here, you have to compile all the summaries, the 5 summaries that this Claude AI will give you into a clean document and send to them. That's all. You have become their personal research assistant. You can get paid over $1,000 on this, okay, just like I told you. But if you are just a beginner, you can just start with $250, $150, okay? Now, how do you get your first client? This weekend, if you want to start this business, you now have the 4 methods, but I know what's happening in your mind right now. This sounds so good, but I don't know how to get started. Now, pick one method. That's number 1 step. I've mentioned 4 steps, all right? Pick one. Write your offer in 1 sentence, okay? You can use Claude AI. Just tell Claude AI this. You can just tell Claude AI, help me write a 1 sentence service offer for method 1. Let me just take, for instance, CV and LinkedIn. Okay, I want it to be clear, specific, and tell people exactly what they get and why it helps them. You hit generate here. Claude will give you a clean professional version, all right? Now, the step 3 is identify. You can see it here. Now, step 3 is identify 10 people, not strangers, people you already know, old classmates, former colleagues, family members who run a simple business. That's your auntie with the catering business, that friend who just started a boutique, anyone who runs any kind of business. Now, send them this. Use Claude AI to write this. Press this particular prompt. Write me a short casual message I can send to someone I know who runs a small business. I want to offer them. You type in the service. The message should be warm, not pushy, under 80 words, and end with an invitation to chat. You hit generate. That's it. Now, send this message to up to 10 people every single day. Even if it is 2 that says yes, that's already $100, okay? Or even $300. That's how you start. Yes, and that's it. With this, you can start making money. And I will also give you a bonus. You can also use this Claude AI to write your YouTube scripts if you are into storytelling. And it gives the most realistic stories. So as a YouTuber, Claude plus YouTube will make you thousands of money. I know people that are using it here and they are making a lot of money. You can also package what you know and sell. Not just as a service, but as a course, and people will buy. So drop my thank you in the comment section. Say, Techmom, thank you so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.